Dear students, in this session we are going to discuss about the decoders. First, we should know what is meant by a decoder. Decoder is also a combinational circuit which is used to convert the binary information from n number of input lines to a maximum of 2 power n output lines. The encoded information is presented as n inputs to the decoder, and the decoder will convert that into a 2 power n possible outputs. The 2 power n output values are taken from 0 to 2 power n minus 1. For example, if my input is given as 3, then I can get the output values as 2 power 3 minus 1, which is nothing but 8 minus 1, 7. So we can get the output values from 0 to 7. So a decoder is always provided with enable inputs to activate the decoded output based on the data input. So when any one enable input is not enabled means all the outputs of decoder are disabled. So you can look at the general structure of decoder here. So in this diagram you can see n input data are given for the decoder, and the decoder will decode that into 2 power n possible outputs. And always we are using some enable inputs for obtaining the output of our decoder. Now we will discuss about the types of decoders. So there are so many types of decoders. In this session we are going to discuss about binary decoder and BCD to 7 segment decoder. So in binary decoder again we are having 2 to 4 line decoder and 3 to 8 line decoder. So first we should know what is meant by a binary decoder. A binary decoder has n bit binary input and a 1 activated output out of 2 power n outputs. A binary decoder is used when it is necessary to activate exactly one of the 2 power n outputs based on an n input value. Here the two inputs are decoded into 4 outputs, each output representing one of the minterms of the two input variables. So you can see the truth table for 2 to 4 line decoder. In the truth table, we are considering the inputs and the outputs. So the inputs we are taking as A and B, and one enable input is given here to activate the output of our decoder. And the outputs are considered as Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. So from the truth table, it is clear if enable input is equivalent to 1, only one of the output um, in the decoder will be active for a given input. For example, the output Y0 is active when the inputs A and B are equivalent to 0 and our enable input should be equivalent to 1. When Y1 will be active when A is equivalent to 0 and B is equivalent to 1. And the output Y2 is active when A equal to 1 and B equal to 0, and the output Y3 will be active when A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. So from this truth table we can derive the expression for the outputs Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. So in this slide you can see the logic diagram for 2 to 4 line decoder and also the logical expression for the outputs. So Y0 is given as A bar into B bar, Y1 is given as A bar into B, Y2 is equivalent to A into B bar and Y3 is equivalent to A into B. So from this expression you can derive a logical diagram by using the basic logic gates. So A and B are the two inputs and another A bar and B bar is given by using one NOT gate here. So you can use 4 AND gates for obtaining the expressions for Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3 respectively. And extra one third input is given to all the AND gates. That is nothing but the enable input. Through this enable input only the output, any one of the output will be activated for the corresponding input value of the decoder. Now we will discuss about 3 to 8 line decoder. A 3 to 8 line decoder has 3 inputs. We can name it as A, B and C. and it consists of 8 outputs. The outputs are named from Y0 to Y7. So based on the 3 inputs, one of the 8 outputs is selected by using one enable input. The 3 inputs are decoded into 8 outputs, each output representing one of the minterms of the 3 input variables. So this decoder is used for binary to octal conversion, since it can convert 3 binary lines to 8 value. So we can say it as a binary to octal conversion. The input variables is representing a binary number and the outputs will represent the 8 digits in the octal number system, that is from Y0 to Y7. So you can see the truth table for 3 to 8 line decoder. The inputs and outputs are given here. So we can form 3 inputs as A, B, C, and the binary combinations for all these inputs are considered from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, and the outputs are taken from Y0 to Y7. So each output will be activated at a time for the combination of our input binary values. So when Y0 is activated when A, B, C is equivalent to 0. Y1 is activated when C is equivalent to 1. Y2 is activated when B is equivalent to 1. Similarly, Y3 is activated when B and C is equivalent to 1. And Y4 is activated when A equal to 1. Y5 is activated when A and C are equivalent to 1. Y6 is activated when A and B is equivalent to 1. And Y7 is activated when A, B and C all are equal to 1. Here we can see the logical expression for the outputs and also the basic logic diagram for 3 to 8 line decoder using the logic gates. So the expression for Y0 is given as A bar, B bar, C bar. Y1 is given as A bar into B bar into C, and Y2 is given as A bar into B into C bar. Y3 is equivalent to A bar into B into C. Y4 is equal to A into B bar into C bar. Y5 is equal to A into B bar into C, and Y6 is equivalent to A into B into C bar, and Y7 is equivalent to A into B into C. So based on this expression, if we can construct the logic diagram by using the basic logic gates. We are considering 3 inputs A, B, C, and all these 3 inputs can be inverted by using one NOT gate, so that we can get A bar, B bar and C bar terms. So by using a 3 input AND gate, you can derive the expression for Y0 to Y7 respectively. Now we will discuss about BCD to 7 segment display decoder. A 7 segment display decoder is normally used for displaying any one of the decimal digits 0 through 9. A BCD to 7 segment decoder accepts a decimal digit in BCD and generates the corresponding 7 segment code. So here each segment is made up of a material that emits light when current is passed through it. So you can see the diagram of 7 segment display here. It consists of 7 segments in it. So the segments are named as A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So BCD to 7 segment display decoder means it should display the digits, decimal digits 0 to 9 through the 7 segment display. So now we are going to tabulate the 7 segment display. So which segments are activated for displaying the digits from 0 to 9. So for displaying the digit 0, we have to activate the segments A, B, C, D, E and F. Similarly, for displaying the digit 1, segments B and C should be activated. And for displaying the digit 2, A, B, D, E, G segment should be activated. And for displaying the digit 3, A, B, C, D, G segments should be activated. So like this, in the similar manner, for displaying the digit 9, the segments A, B, C, D, F, G should be activated. Here we are going to discuss about the truth table for BCD to 7 segment display decoder. So the inputs are considered from the digits 0 through 9. The input is given in the form of BCD to the decoder. The decoder will convert that into a 7 segment display. So for displaying the digit 0, the segments A, B, C, D, E, F should be activated and G should be deactivated. So the values for A, B, C, D, E, F will be considered as 1 and G is considered as 0. By using this procedure, we can activate the different segments in the 7 segment display for displaying the corresponding digits. For example, if we want to display the digit 9 by using the 7 segment display, then the segments A, B, C, D, F, G should be given the value as 1 and E should be given the value as 0. Now we will derive the logical expression for the segments A, B, C, D, E, F and G by using the K-map method. Since our input consists of 4 BCD code, so we have to use a 4 variable K-map. So the 4 variables are considered as A, B, C, D as shown in the diagram. So first we will derive the logical expression for the segment A. So look into the truth table. In the truth table, you can see A is having the binary value 1 for the digits 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the remaining values should be marked as 0. So in this BCD to 7 segment display decoder, we are having the digits from 0 through 9. So after 9, we have to mark the digits in the K-map as a don't care term. For the values 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, it should be marked as a don't care term in our 4 variable K-map. So after simplifying this 4 variable K-map, we can get the expression for A as A plus C plus BD plus B bar into D bar. So B bar into D bar can otherwise stated as B dash into D dash also. Similarly, for the segment B, we got the expression as B dash plus C dash into D dash plus CD. And for the segment C, we derived the expression as B plus C dash plus D. In the same manner, we can derive the expressions for the remaining segments by using this K-map method. So here we will see about the logic diagram for BCD to 7 segment display decoder. So we derived the expressions, Boolean expressions for the segments A, B, C, D, E, F and G respectively. So all these expressions can be implemented by using basic logic gates. So here we are using the logic gates are NOT, and OR gates for constructing the logic diagram for BCD to 7 segment display decoder.